Hey, welcome back everyone. Stuart's Prepping here with another Battlbox unboxing, so let's get to it. See what we got this month. Alright. So here's Mission 81 briefing. So let's see what we got in Battlbox. Information on each item. So the first item on our list is this right here. What is this? This is a water spigot. So you can attach this to your water jug or to the solar bag, it looks like, and use it to identify how much water comes out using this thing right here. It's like a plunger. Can't really see it too much inside the bag. So yeah, these connect together. Side of the device, put this one inside the top, just screws in to this thing, so just taps on this thing to let some water out. It's a little bit putting it together. That's kind of a neat thing to help you save water when you're out there camping. So let's see, what's our next item on this? So Firstline gun oil pen. Let's check this out. So this is a brush, it's just a pen. Doesn't look like there's any way to refill it. I think you turn this thing right here, that's how you get the oil to get to the end. You just saw the bubble pop right there. So we got an oil pen, so okay. I'm not really too keen on that. So what's the next item we have? It's the Duraderm Sport. What is this? Some advanced skin repair. Let's see what it says right here in the mission briefing. So this is good for cuts, scrapes, minor wounds, abrasions, burns. So pretty much it can clean the area and then keep dirt and water from also getting to it. That's kind of a neat little thing. You got a packet of this stuff. So how is it? Of course, these boxes are always a pain to get into. Why can't they just... Jeez, the box hard to open. So much glue on it. So, those are pretty big looking. You get them out. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And it's a good way to treat wounds, prevent infection, and promote healing. It's pretty cool. You can divide them up and put them in different kits. So I kind of like that item right there. What else we got? This is one of our advanced items, a solar blanket. I like SO XL. Usually make pretty nice wildlife blankets. Pretty thick material, pretty nice. This side is so you can be seen by someone, and the other side helps keep your temperature warm. So it's a nice little emergency blanket. And this is the advanced item. There's a water filter. Yeah. So it's like straw. Yeah. So you look like you have to open this up, take all this off. And this is purifies up to 25 gallons. Filters 200 gallons. So I'll filter 200 gallon, but only purifies 25. And just stick this end in the water, looks like, and then connect the straw to it. I've never seen this company before, but I don't know. See what it says, what treats. Removes up to viruses, bacteria, parasites, sediment, and more. So it's a water filter, so something to you can use a filter of water with. Pretty much for drinking. Unless you have like a hand pump, I think it's gonna be hard to get it out of there, you know, because it's only good for 25 to purify, and then 200 it says to filter on it. I'll have to do more research on that one, but not too bad of stuff in this month's Battlbox mission 81. So I get is the advanced box, so get the advanced into the basic box. So we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Usually get sometimes more stuff. Some discount cards, but that's it. Stuart's prepping. You guys have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you guys later.